Good morning everybody, welcome back to cilinixfxcapital. We're all doing great and welcome to this new video right here on Litecoin. It's been a while since I covered Litecoin and I'm not certain how many of you are interested in this, but I thought it was some great opportunities. I saw some great momentum for Litecoin. I think it has the possibility to rally much higher. So yes, we're talking about 138, 140. So I thought let's make a video on that for the couple of hundred people that might be interested in Litecoin at this point of time. It's obviously not the hottest crypto to invest in or to trade right now, but Litecoin has always made me quite a lot of profits. I mean, to be fair, historically, if you take a look at Litecoin has been very good to trade, both to long but also to short. So I would definitely, I mean, if you're just watching this video because you like my channel and you don't trade Litecoin, add it to your watch list. It's great. But okay, so we're going to do a full update right now. Fundamentally, I don't think that there's much to talk about right here. I mean, I could talk about a Litecoin ETF, but honestly, even with the news that we've had in the last couple of weeks about those new guidelines and that new process of applying for an ETF, I would argue that it doesn't really matter for Litecoin. The probability of a Litecoin ETF already was 90%. And maybe right now that is getting accelerated. Maybe that has a bullish effect on the price. That is a possibility, but I doubt that it matters a lot. Or at least I doubt that it's not what we're seeing in the price right now, right? I mean, very often fundamentals are just priced in anyways, or at least you can see when they're being priced in. And you can very often just take a look at the price, take a look at the technicals, and you'd be able to know, what type of news is going around about the coin and about the project. So I don't think we need to talk about that too much, and there's plenty to talk about regarding the technicals. I mean, basically, if you take a look at Litecoin, after that breakout we've had right here, the 18th of July, had a beautiful trade back then, by the way, as well, at the end of July going into August, was amazing. One of my best trades in August, I think, or at least that I cashed out in August. But that's beside the point. But since we've been able to reclaim that level right here between, well, let's say around $100, I mean, you can very clearly see that Litecoin has basically, in the past year, has had two areas to range in between. It's up there and it's down here. And now we've been able to reclaim that. We've gotten a good reaction when the price, tried to push down back into this area down here. We've gotten a good bullish reaction there, some bullish confirmation. And then outside of that, I mean, ultimately the market just looks very good right now. And short term, I think Litecoin specifically gained a lot of momentum as well. We've had the highest buying volume we've had since the 5th of August, right? And look what happened the 5th of August. We were bullish, right? We pulled back, but we continued. And I think something similar is happening right now. I mean, if you take a look at the price action since the 19th of July, you can see that most of the time we have rallied between $108 and $122. We reclaimed $108 with a lot of momentum. You can see we left a lot of imbalances. So to me, that greatly increases the chance of a pullback. Now we hit a strong resistance level right here at 122.5, which was also the value area high, but you can also see it's a respected key level nonetheless. And it looks quite likely, in my opinion, that Bitcoin, which is going to take the market with it, is going to see a bit of a short-term pullback right here. So for those reasons, first of all, I think it's quite likely to expect that Litecoin is going to pull back lower. But because of the structure and because of the momentum we've seen earlier this week from certain levels in that structure, I do think it's quite likely that, personally, when I'm talking about trading this, which I will, I'm going to be greedy, right? So I'm going to wait for the lower imbalances. But ultimately, I do think we can rally into, or at least I do think we can push down into at least like 114 and 112. If we're lucky into 108, 110, and that from there we'll get a good reaction, and that from there we'll have a chance to rally back up to 121 and 122. But also, and this is something, if people are interested in that, I'll keep you updated on that. I think because of the momentum, I think we have a chance to rally up higher into 132, 134 as well. But that's something for later. For now, I'd say something like this is more likely. So those are my thoughts. I think that's what you need to know. If you do have any questions, anything, make sure to join the Telegram or the Discord group for free. Ask me in there. It's better than these comment sections filled with bots. I accidentally pressed stop recording, but that's it. Thank you for watching, everybody. Have a great weekend, and bye.